Help me count to three, nice and loud. Are y'all ready? I said, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Much better. All right, here we go.
Good morning, everyone, or should I say good afternoon, everyone. It's, what, almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been up since about 9:30 because I got woken up by the front desk. I guess they were wanting to clean our room, but we were still technically asleep. Well, I was awake, but my wife here was still passed out. And she looks over at me and she's like, who is that? The front desk wanted to know if our room was wanting to be cleaned. So yeah. Anyway, it's day 2, and we're about to head downtown. We're gonna go to the Riverwalk and possibly do the Alamo.
Alamo.
Did you just say Alamo?
Alamo. I don't know. I'm still trying to wake up. My caffeine hasn't kicked in yet. Don't shake your head at me. Mister?
Yeah. Don't shake your head at me.
Come on, I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry. I'm Nathaniel. Ladies and gentlemen, my wife.
Hi.
Sounded like a robot when you said that. Oh my God, is my wife a robot? Am I married to a machine? Skynet. Skynet's taking over. Skynet's gonna kill me.
No.
How do I know you're not a robot in disguise? Okay, alright. Just leave it at that. Anyway, before it gets too long, let's go to the Riverwalk.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, come on.
It's a beautiful day to be out and about. Wouldn't you agree? The sun is out, the clouds are somewhat plentiful. Well, actually, yes, they're very plentiful. So it's a beautiful day to be out and about going to the Riverwalk. Can't wait to make it out. Okay, I'm gonna get the car started.
Yes.
And here we are at the amazing Rio Rio Cantina by the Riverwalk. And oh my goodness, look at the view. The view is just spectacular from here. Down below is the river. See if I can't get a good shot. It really is amazing here, so. Just waiting on an appetizer, and then we're gonna order our food. This looks amazing. What did you get?
The mahi fish tacos.
Those are good. Those are pretty good too.
I don't know yet.
I mean, they look good, but do they taste good?
I don't know yet.
Well, there's only one way to find out, and I'm about to start digging into these chalupas.
Your chalupas.
These are not your typical Taco Bell chalupas either.
No, they're not.
Alright, let's dig in.
Yep.
I think that was a good meal, don't you think? Did you like the food at Rio Rio?
I can't hear you.
Of course you can, because she's being in La La Land. Ha!
What'd you say?
Did you like the food at Rio Rio?
Yes.
I thought it was very fulfilling. The chalupas were pretty good. She says what did you think of the mahi mahi?
It was alright.
Spicy though?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it was pretty good overall. And our waitress,
She was good.
yeah, she was very good, very friendly. Um, man, I just love it out here. Don't you?
Yeah.
Just. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I love the scenery out here. I love the atmosphere. So now we're about to do the river tours. Just gotta find a place to buy the tickets, and then we'll take the tour. Yes, lots of ducks. There goes my wife again, being random. But that's to be expected.
That's me. If that wasn't random, it wouldn't be me.
It's true.
And if it wasn't me, then you would think something's wrong with me.
Yeah, very true.
All right then.
Alright, so we'll see you at the river tour. Okay, here we are, obviously back in our room. It's 1 in the morning. Yeah, it's been many hours since I last did some filming, but I just wanted to take some time to relax and watch some TV, so just wanted to say a quick goodnight to everyone. This is the end of day 2 here in San Antonio, and as you can see, my wife is out cold. But that just goes to show how exhausted she is from such a great day. That being said, I'm going to go to bed, and I can't remember if I said anything about this earlier, but we are going to the aquarium tomorrow. And then we might do the Alamo after that. I don't know. We'll see. But we're in for another fun-filled day ahead of us. I can't wait. So that being said, good night. We love y'all. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all later.